What's going on? So today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Gen Z meets no nonsense cops. So let's get into the files. Let's get into the tape.
Watch 2 cases of extreme entitlement shut down by no-nonsense cops.
Again.
What are you gonna do?
Have a seat in your car.
For what?
Because I told you to. I'm
Why?
pulling you
Because
over.
I stopped at the stop sign
No,
and used
because
my
you
turn
didn't have your
signal
seatbelt on, and because you were driving very fast coming down the road, and you didn't use your turn signal.
Because I'm looking for my fucking cat.
Step over by your car. I'm not going to tell you again.
What's the difference between me being at my car and right here?
You're going to go to jail.
I don't want you to get arrested today. Come on.
Go by your car.
Yeah, I'm sure you'd love to do that.
Go by your car.
Please.
Go f yourself. You fat pig. Did you get salty because I waved at you?
No, I need your driver's license.
Is your body cam on?
Card. Yes, it is.
No, is it on?
Yes.
It don't look like it's on, bro. There's no lights, nothing.
Yeah, I'm not your bro. Give me your driver's license and insurance card.
No, I'm not your fucking bro either. They know me. Call them.
I'm going to ask you one more time for your driver's license and insurance card.
Babe, come on. Oh,
Now you're under arrest for aggravated assault to a police officer.
You could have caught it.
babe.
You do want to get tased.
You're gonna tase me?
He's just getting his insurance card.
No, he's not. He's resisting me.
Dude, it's right here.
It is. Can I please get it?
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased.
Dude, fucking tase me.
Don't. Babe.
Put your hands behind your back.
Fucking tase me.
Baby, stop.
People like you are not
When
fit to
you get
handle people like me.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Tase me.
Baby, no.
I don't care.
I care.
Could you have 25?
He wants to tase me.
Have
Let him
25
tase me.
and-
You want a fucking lawsuit, dude?
Dude, put your hands behind your back. Do you know him?
Yeah,
your
I'm a
brother?
female. So back the f
I
up.
don't care what you are.
You're not
Put your
allowed to
hands
touch
behind
me
your back.
like that.
Babe.
Put your hands
You're not allowed to touch me
You
like
are
that.
going to get tased.
Dude,
I've
I
given
told
you
you to.
several commands.
Babe.
Last chance. Hands behind your back. Do it now. You're making this difficult.
I don't care, dude. Do you think
This
I
is
care about
ridiculous.
this? I'm looking for my
I
lost
understand that,
animal.
but when you get pulled over, you cannot resist.
Pull over for a seatbelt and you're gonna tase me?
No, because you're resisting.
Hey, technically we were in the driveway and the
Ma'am,
car
I
was
saw
off.
the seatbelt was off coming behind him on the
I
road.
understand that.
Back
but
away.
Technically,
Female is just she's resisting. She threw her wallet at me.
You think I got time to go to jail? I'm trying to find my
Okay,
cat.
I've told you several times, put your hands behind
And I
your back.
told you
Put your
to
hands
tase
behind your
me.
back now!
Shut the f up, Pede.
Hey, put your hands behind your back or you're gonna get tased.
I'm calling your grandma.
Last chance! Darts.
Okay.
If you want a taser deployed, Stay back!
Please stop, please.
Got his ass together, did he? You know, the first one with the when they just hit you with the stinger, you know what I'm saying? It's like whatever. But the combination of having those prongs dug into you and the electrical signal will get your ass together. They'll get you together real quick, boy. Got his ass right. She, whatever, you know, it is, but.
Put your hands behind your back or you're gonna get tased.
I'm calling your grandma.
Last chance! Darts.
Okay.
If you want a taser deployed, Stay back!
Please stop, please.
Other hand.
If you want a Jew copy, taser deployed.
Okay, to your knees. To your knees. To your knees. Yes, you can now. Okay, to your feet. To your feet.
Stand up, man. Kiwani, we have 195 taser deployed.
Because he wouldn't move. I don't know. He tased him.
Because he was resisting.
Kiwani, can you have EMS come check him out? We'll have EMS take out the parts.
I can't just rip them out.
You better get the I don't know.
EMS takes, the ambulance people take care of that stuff.
You guys aren't trained to fucking do that?
No, we're not.
Yeah,
I'm not
why?
because
You
I'm not a
can tase
medical.
people, but you
Just
can't.
back up and be quiet.
Bullshit, dude. You can tase people, but
Okay, they're not hurting them anymore.
you did though.
Okay. What else you need? If we find that other guy, we have to arrest him. He's on an electric bicycle. Bandana, sunglasses. You familiar with the other guy?
Are you guys really talking about some other case right now?
Yes, we are.
Why? Worry about what's in front of you.
Okay. We will worry about what we're worrying about, okay?
You literally have a taser.
Babe, I did this to myself.
I know,
can
but
own up to
that's
that.
bullshit.
Okay.
It is bullshit. I don't believe this guy was gonna tase me, but I know for a fact I wouldn't put it past you.
What part? What part?
Everything's fucking wrong.
I asked you at least 10 times to put your hands behind your back.
You clearly see my mental state, sir.
Yes, and I tried to calm you down before you threw your wallet at me.
Me, you deserve a cigarette after this one.
You want a
I
cigarette?
can't breathe. That shit fucking
No,
paralyzed
when all
me.
said is done, you took that shit like a fucking champ. I'm not gonna lie.
The first one wasn't bad, but the
Your
second
grandma's
one,
also on her way too.
it's so fucking weird. I don't even feel anything right now. I'm not angry. I'm not.
216 Elizabeth is valid and clear.
10-4.
I just want my cat.
What's up, boss? I'm Joe, I'm paramedic. What happened?
I got tased.
I see that. What's going on with you, though?
I got pulled over for a seatbelt. I resisted.
No, I'm just asking, are you having trouble breathing, or what's
A
going
little
on?
bit. A little
Yeah.
bit.
Okay. You pulled him out, okay?
Yep.
Got it?
He's a female. Careful.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
All right, boss.
So what's, you having trouble breathing? Okay. Do you have any chest pain or anything?
I mean, I'm mostly on my left side,
I'll
yeah.
tell you what, we'll just check your vitals real quick, okay, and make sure you're good.
The woman.
He's a female. Be careful. Oh my God. Oh shit. I'm sitting here. Look, I'm like, wait, what did he say? Oh my God. He lifted up the shirt. He said, he's a female. Be careful. Oh shit. That was funny as hell. That was funny. This guy is just an idiot, honestly. Like, you did all that for no reason. You turned a seatbelt ticket into like going to jail. Like, who does that? And then you got the enabler over here, the bystander. Man, Are you talking about another case right now? Yeah. This is over with. He's fine. He's fine. He's all right. It doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah, that was funny. Let's hear what the charges were. Oh boy, can't make this shit up, huh?
Resisting arrest and aggravated battery on a peace officer.
Where's my brother?
Talk to him.
I don't care. Where the f is my brother? Y'all tore this up. Y'all better put this shit back together.
What are you doing?
Broke my window.
What are you doing?
Why you broke my window? Ooh.
I don't have to answer anything.
I don't give a f.
Stay
Don't
out.
f***ing touch me. Get away.
Stay out of the
this
car.
This is my car.
Stay out
Get
of
the
the.
away from me.
Stay out of the
I
car.
don't give a f. Get away. Can I help you? This is my car. Could you move? Because there's no reason why you got to do this. What was the point? What was the point? Right. Wipe your nose.
The car's coming with the
I don't give a f. No, the f is not. There's nothing in the car for you to take.
It's the whole car is coming.
No, the f is not.
Yes, the
No, the f is not. What is there in the car? What is there to take? Nothing.
it doesn't matter.
It does
The car's
matter.
getting towed.
No, it's not.
The car's getting.
No, it's not. Is there a valid reason why you did this? No, right? Stupid. Bring your f***ing dog to the can smell this shit the up. You didn't find nothing. ¿A dónde tú estás? Ya se van a llevar mi carro, rompieron mi fucking ventana. Yo no sé, that's what the fuck I'm saying. They didn't find no fucking drugs in here. Mami, si no le hizo nada pinche mexicano este. Ni todo tiene seguranza nada.
And she's going nuts. I know.
Yo no sé por qué se van a llevar mi carro. Nomás me están mirando como soy p*** y no entienden nada. They fucking broke my window, bro. I swear to fucking God, they left me a car. Shut the fuck up, I moved shit.
Okay, then you're gonna get arrested.
Do you see what the f*** they did to my window?
Yeah, I authorized it.
Okay, so what's the proper cause? Why?
Because your brother wouldn't get out of the car.
Okay.
Okay.
That don't need to f***ing break my window.
So now we're telling you to move, and if you don't move, then you're gonna be placed under arrest for obstruction.
Obstruction? My ass. I don't know why they're taking my car.
Just move.
I'm not moving until my mother gets here.
No, we're deciding.
I don't care. No.
Grab her and let's go.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. Mommy.
Razor. Go right down to the ground. Go right down to the ground.
Ow.
I was right. Good.
No, I could get myself up. I don't need your help. I could do it myself.
That's nice.
Ow, my kid is in the car. Wait.
Now you just made things 100 times more complicated. Good job. You should have thought about that before you started. Great job.
Wait, Gio, wait. Gio, wait. Your mom is coming. Wait. Wait.
You guys need to learn how to relax and stop making life way more complicated than it needs to be. Get in the car.
Until my mom gets here.
Get in the car
Until my mom gets here.
No. Get in the car now.
My kid is in the car.
You're going to get another charge right the fuck
now.
now.
My mom gets her car. My baby's in there.
Your kid is going to get picked up. Get in the car right now. Okay. Another charge? You want one?
I'm waiting till my mom gets here and gets my kid in the car.
Cha-ching. That's all we're hearing. You're going to make things way more expensive for yourself. Get in the car. Tow that car, too. You want that car towed, too?
Hey, talk to her first. What's her name?
My baby's in the car.
Where does your mom live?
I was on the phone with her. You guys just threw me on the floor.
Where does mom live?
She just got out of work. She's on her way here.
Where does she work?
I don't know. Where does she work?
Is there a baby in the car?
Yes,
there's a child in the car.
I hate when they cater to them and let them dictate stuff. I can't stand that. You had the one sergeant or you had the one officer or whatever who's like, get in the car. And then she's like, no, not until my mom comes. And they just kind of back off. She's still in the same position. Come on, you gave the order for her to get in the car. You can talk to her afterwards or whatever, but you gave the order for her to get in the car. Get her ass in the car. And then roll down the window or whatever if you want to talk to her, yada, yada, yada. But to say one thing and then not act on it is a weak move, man. Like, come on, let's get it together. Let's stay on one task at a time. Get her ass in the car. Not hanging out side of the car, waiting for her people to come, letting her dictate what the fuck is going on.
Yes,
there's a child in the car.
My baby's 3, my first son is 10. I can't just leave them here.
We're not just going to leave them here.
No,
okay?
but I need to be here.
Okay, we're gonna bring the kids over here with you, okay?
No, I don't want my daughter to see me like this. That's not fair.
That's why you sit in the car. So listen, I'm trying to help you out, and all you're doing is giving me attitude. I'll just walk away.
I'm not giving you
Stop.
attitude.
Listen, let me talk. I can just walk away, go throw you in there, lock you up, take your kids to station 2, where you can relax, drop the attitude, and we can work this out. Those are your 2 options, okay?
I'm telling you, can you grab my phone so I can call my mom or call her off your phone? It doesn't matter. I know her number by heart.
You're on speaker. Get her over here to get the kids.
Where are you? Oh, put Camina, because they're taking me to jail and you gotta get the baby. Because I didn't want to get away from my car. I know, but hurry up.
Alright. She knows that we're at Walgreens?
It's at Walgreens.
Ask her how far away she is.
She said there's traffic. Mom!
I know,
Mom, we're at Walgreens. Y'all gotta pay for my car to get out the freaking car and pay my freaking window. Just hurry up, please.
We're wrapping this up. Okay.
Okay, can I take my phone with me?
It's coming with us. It's going in my front seat.
Well, can you give that phone to him?
Say that again.
I want his badge number.
Don't say out. Whose badge number?
His badge number.
We'll get it at the station.
Mom, Take his badge number.
We'll get it. We'll get it at the
Take his badge
station.
number.
Put your knees inside the car. Put your knees inside the car. Put your knees inside the car.
This woman was also charged with resisting arrest and aggravated battery on a peace officer. Her mother took temporary custody of her children.
That second one was a freaking joke, man. They didn't put their foot down not one time, man. Besides, like, maybe in the beginning, giving a little act right or whatever, but come on, man. Come on. Even at the end, you know what I'm saying? Roll down the window. You don't have to open the car door. Whatever. For the first one, I think the officer did a pretty good job. You know what I'm saying? The first officer, he was kind of, you know, he was struggling real bad. You know what I'm saying? But when the second guy came, it was lit. So I give them like I give both of them a 3, honestly, because there was shit fucked up with both of them. I can't give neither one of them, either incident, I can't give more than a 3. Because the first one, you let the whatever it is, you let him like hang in the seat and whatever. You didn't tase him. You didn't want to use no force for real. Like, so weak for that. When the other guy came, he was like, "Oh, we gonna get you together." I liked him. And then the second one is like, y'all was soft too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all took her to the ground and got her cuffed up and stuff. But after that, it was like she was dictating what the hell was going on. So they both get a 3. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.